Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q2 S line 35 TFSI. It comes finished in the stunning Navvara Blue, sure to turn heads when on the road. At the time of this recording, the car has done 4,699 miles, and to the rear you have the privacy glass adding a touch of mystery. Standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with a 5-segment spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, with just a push of a button, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and manual climate system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. Connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. And a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display going into Audi's smartphone. To use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. Onto Maps to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to sing along to. And car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those longer journeys. Below you have the manual air conditioning, so both driver and passengers can set the preferred temperature for the cabin. Stay connected on the go with the 12-volt and USB charging point. 2 cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the all-important automatic gearbox, an electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and the controls to the MMI multimedia display, as well as in the armrest with 2 USB charging points. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.